have something today. I saw a pussy big. Boom. Me say, guys, right here, so I tap. It's like a camel toe. The thing big so and long down, so me have to look down. So me say, Jesus Christ, me start bawling now. Cause me I say, Father God, me always see girl them do surgery and look like a hood. And me say, why that look like that? And she said, don't worry, it's gonna be okay, it's gonna be okay. Me start bawling, look at me and say, why this big? The thing big, so short and it drop. Me can't see my front underneath. So the woman use one, them cut out the stitches and then she use one stick and it ain't hot. One girl tell me, say, it ain't hot. She just barely touch it. And me start feel it and run. And at the time, I get afraid now because I say, Bumbo. And she massage it. I don't know if it's hot tomorrow, but the massaging, it could have been like 5 out of 10. It ain't really that hot. You see when she put the little thing them at the front now and she squeeze it, oh God man. Put you see much something come out, bleed out and then it just start get look flat. A whole lip come out tight to them and it afraid. Me say me way me shock na bumbo. It was an experience. Whole heap of blood, the fluid here, whole heap of it come out. And she squeeze it up, the belly part hot though. Right, this time my belly hot. The back part is hot, but when she touch the belly, the part is hot. But it did bearable. I think it would have hotter than how they say. The actual pain, like when you're in a pain, hotter than face squeeze out.